1986 Trane commercial units. And I don't know how many compressors. This might actually have 4 compressors. There goes the other one. Oh, only one side's going. I think the way it's set up is it's got 2 fans. It's 2 units. Each unit has 2 fans, and it's own compressor. So it's 2 dual fan units packaged into one. Don't know how many nominal tons it is. Alright, just wanted to get a quick video of it running there. Didn't want to run it this whole time. Manufactured in 1986. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.